Welcome to all. Now, in basic electrical engineering, today we will discuss three-phase or polyphase system. Now, before starting which is a polyphase or which systems are multi-phase or we can say three-phase. As we know that in our household system, all the systems termed as a single-phase system. There is a wire which is if we will go for the in socket, there is a 3 pin, right? The topmost, the bigger pin is basically for earthing and grounding purposes. Rest of two, one is live wire and live contact, and second is the ground contact, right? So if when a supply coming through from your powerhouse to the outside line, right? When it is connected to any load, either we can say a motor or we can say any AC or press system, iron system, that will be connected from one point, right? When the system, the supply is connected to the load, right? The voltage difference, right? Due to the potential difference, current is flowing from higher potential to the lower potential. So one is the higher potential, we can say higher voltage. When it is connected to the ground or we can say neutral wire, due to the potential difference, current is flowing through the load. So this is the single phase system, because from your outside the home, we can say 3 or 4 lines are incoming, but we can take supply for the household purposes from 2 wire. One is line wire and second is neutral or we can say neutral wire. So we can say here this is polyphase system. So this is a star connection, or another is delta connection. These two system is basically we can say 3-phase system, because there is 3 wire. In case of single phase system, this is single phase system. In case of 2-phase system, if this is line, this is neutral, so this is single phase system. There is a one circuit. In case of 2-phase system, it is open, right? We can say this is 2-phase, but both phases are connected. So 2 phases are connected and create a single circuit, but due to different phases are connected, we can say it is 2-phase system, right? Now, how we can say what is the phase difference between these phases? So there is a formula 360 by n. So by using this formula, we can create the phase difference. So let us say for n is equal to 1, so 360 by n, this is 360 upon 1, 360 degree. So in case of single phase system, this is single phase system, right? The phase difference between the phase, or we can say one phase to the neutral wire, right? The phase angle is 360 degree. In case of n is equal to 3, let us say we can take 2 later on. 360 by 3, that is 120 degree. So this is 3-phase system. So between three phases, the angle between the phases, right? The phase angle between the phases is 120 degree. If we can say n is equal to 6, so 360 by 6, that is 60 degree. So it is called 6-phase system. So that's why in case of polyphase system you put that required phases here, and where n is number of phases. To determine the phase angle, you should put here the value of n, and we get the phase angle between the phases. Now, in case of two-phase system, so n is equal to 2, 360 by 2, it is 180 degree for two-phase system. But it is exception. This is exception. This is not. Right? If for two-phase system, the angle between the phases is 180 degree, it is not balanced system. So these angles are for balanced system. We, in case of single phase system, the angle between the phases should be 360 for balanced system. In case of three-phase system, the phase difference 120 degree for the balanced system, and so on. For n is equal to 2, for balanced system, according to the formula, the phase angle should be 180 degree. But when we analyze this thing by empirical way, it is not 180 degree, it is 90 degree. It is exception. It is exception. So for balanced system, balanced two-phase system, the phase difference between two phases should be 90 degree in case of two-phase system. So this is our general introduction for three-phase or polyphase system. Now, what is the examples? If we can say the example of single-phase system. So we can say all household appliances. In these we can say heater, refrigerator, we can say fan, single phase induction motor, operated appliances, in case of refrigerator there is a pump, to drive that pump we can use that single phase induction motor operated appliances. In case of heater or immersion rod, all the load, all the appliances, right, will should be connected to the our single phase system, which is coming incoming voltage at the outside your system, outside your house. So in next lecture we will discuss what is the phase voltage and what is the line voltage, or we can say phase and line values and attributes. Thank you.